In this tutorial, we'll talk through how you can grow or shrink the size of your counted objects in Image Pro Premiere 9.1 and higher. Now, sometimes when you're performing your automatic counting and measuring of objects, you'll find that although the segmentation might look good on most of your objects, there may be a few areas that either need to expand that segmentation or shrink it down in size to get a more accurate representation of the true size of that object. So in the case of this image, we'll want to maybe expand out the size of the area of the object by maybe a pixel or two. So using my measurement selection tool, or going up to the blue arrow here, we'll go ahead and select our objects that we want to increase in size, and we can hit down the control key to select them. Or if you wanted to, you could go ahead and just draw around all of the objects that you want to select multiple objects. Or even if you wanted to select all objects in the image, you could go to the arrow key, click the little arrow beside it, and choose Select All. But for the sake of this demonstration, we'll just choose a few of the objects in the image. Now that they're selected, you can see that the relative tools turn on because they're activated when there is a measurement selected. So you can either choose to shrink the objects using the erode operation or grow the objects using the dilate operation. So we'll go ahead and choose grow, and you see that it now has expanded the size of all of those objects. Alternatively, we could have hit shrink and shrink it down a bit. If you have any questions about the grow or shrink tools in the count size options for Image Pro Premiere 9.1 and higher, please contact your local Media Cybernetics representative or dealer.